Trust is an interesting word as we think about it, because not only are families trusting us with their wealth, our team members are trusting us with their futures.
I think it's very important that when we first start to form that relationship with the family, that we listen, that we understand, and we don't make assumptions on what their risk tolerance is, what their goals are, what their philanthropic desires are, and what they want for the future of their family. So those very early meetings with those families really form the foundation of the relationship over the long term.
We're in the business of helping them solve their problems. Life is complex enough as it is, and wealth can be a burden. It's hard enough to put together and hard enough to keep. And so whether it's a research decision, a portfolio decision, a service decision, somebody picking up the phone and reaching out, all those steps of execution have to work.
I always think about the conversations they're not necessarily about the return on their investments or how their assets are allocated, but the question is my family going to be okay? Is my spouse going to be okay? Yeah. Am I going to be able to live the life that I want to live? And I always tell the story that when someone retires, the hardest thing to wrap your arms around is, are you going to now cut off your salary and start living on your accumulated wealth?
Yeah, I think knowing that we're on their side, and there's a number of families where we've dealt with 4 generations, and you feel that, you feel that you're helping the first generation, the second, third, and the fourth, and you see that it's making a difference for people.
The company has grown to more than 50 people, and every single person in that firm, I wholeheartedly believe that they care for our clients, and they care, and they value the work that we're doing for these families.
Our clients interact not just with us, but everybody, from the person sitting at the front desk to someone's helping with a wire to someone's helping them talk about their insurance and their planning, and I think that they get a very consistent experience.
Our common effort for the last 10 years, it's 1,000 things, it's 1,000,000 things, small decisions, but it's the execution of people caring and trying to make a difference in their families' lives. And I think, people see that, people feel that, and I think it makes a difference. I think that's one of the ways we try to earn our clients' trust.
It's those little things. It's those things that we do on a daily basis. It's the little things that the team does on a daily basis. And if you get up every day and you focus on making sure the little things are done right, those are the things that add up.
For me, it's like the most humbling thing of walking out of that room after, shaking the client's hand and knowing we're going to be working with them. It's the most inspiring part of what we do, I think, every day.
We're prideful that they've chosen us to be fiduciaries of their wealth.
If we continue down the path of all the things we talked about, of getting to know them and doing right by them, being a fiduciary to their families, understanding how the plan ties into their investment strategy, we will earn their trust. And over time, we'll earn their family's trust. And it will be a very, very long relationship, fruitful for both sides.